Hello guys, ito yung andito kami sa Independence Day, Hour ng Kalayaan. Andito kami sa ito yung
Welcome back to my vlog.
Philippine. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, ito ang staff. Ito mababait. Very very kind and very assistant. Yan, mabait. Yan.
Si Nico.
Pa-shutdown.
Yan. Ayan, lalagyan natin. Si G, si Nishi, at saka si Nikki, si Sarah. Yan.
I mean not documents. Thank you, Hannah.
Ayan, dito kami sa Independence Day, guys. Ito yung location ng Independence Day. Ayan siya.
Ang pangalan ko yung Chong lang. Chong Hangan.
Baka nagkamali sila. Hindi ito hindi ba to?
Left daw ah. Left.
Na?
Bayan ang left daw.
Left?
Ay, lagyan mo nito oh. Ay, lagyan mo nito. Dito na kang way. Saan ba dito? Apos daw dito. Dito ba?
Naihina ako ha. Ayaw mo na. Ayan guys, ang very nature. Very nature. Philippine Independence Day. Ayan guys.
Nasa si Big.
May parang piyesta. Ayan. Ayan siya. Hello guys, nandito kami sa Philippine Embassy Independence Day. Yung ating mga kabayan. Hello! Please like and subscribe. Lola Ganda in South Africa.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Ayan.
Dito.
Hmm?
Shutdown.
Ayan. Ayan po. Ang dami dito. Independence Day ng Ayan, picture.
Miss Marivic won a tea and honey gift
tayo
set.
ba?
Congratulations. Thank you.
Nagpaparapol ng mga guys. Bakit andyan kayo?
Congratulations.
Say hello to my vlog.
It's 15008.
Welcome to the Philippine Independence Day.
Yes.
Congratulations, Paul. Please come up front.
We can accommodate as many contestants, as many contestants as possible. And I ask the assistants to hold the letter JDC. Let's all face our audience. In my direction, sa audience.
Yan guys, mga kalaro.
So our proctors, male and open to male marites So those, can you step forward? 10 steps. 10 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I cannot hear a single marites. They are all ears. Are you ready?
Yes! We're
Okay.
ready!
Okay, don't be kabado.
Habang makikimarites lang kami ng sagot.
Please like our
Makikimarites
page,
lang tayo
follow
ng
our
sagot.
page. And where we are always of our services, programs, and announcements.
Say hello.
The other day, this week, we posted an announcement of our next consular outreach mission. The correct answer is Philippine Eagle, letter B. Okay, lahat sila. Emilio Aguinaldo. A. Manuel Quezon. B. Manuel Rojas. C. Ramon Magsaysay. D. Cory Aquino. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, everyone got it correctly. Very good. Next question. Listen well. What is the real name, the real first name of Bella Flores? What is the first name? A. Rebecca. B. Rebecca Jones. C. Rosana. D. Ursula. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sino ang letter A? Raise your hand. Rebecca. Bella Flores is a classic contributor. Sino ang sagot letter B? Remedios. Letter C. Rosana. Ursula. The correct answer is Remedios. So we have a winner, Geraldine. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Ay, nagpitali ako. Ano pala eh?
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 1 15, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
7, 8, 9, 30, 1,
Uragon! Uragon!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Miriam. So we start with,
Video na lang ako.
and we have one more from Miss Shine. Okay, we begin Miss Gina. Ready? Okay, go. Okay, 1, 2, yes, 2 million. Sige, Miss Gina. Miss Miriam, kailangan maka-3, minimum. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Dalawa lang yan.
It's a tie. It's a tie.
Mas mabigat ang
Miss Miriam, very close fight. Miss Dorothy, are you ready?
Yung Pilpil, ipitin yung Pilpil.
1, 2. Oh, a really close fight. 2 to 1. And Miss Shine? Miss Shine.
Go.
Are you ready? 1. Oh, we have 2 finalists. Do we have a prize for 2 winners? Or do we need a tie break?
Such a great song.
We have 2 prizes.
Okay, super.
Okay, congratulations on 2 winners. And last part for Simba is for the kids who would like to try. For the kids.
Okay nga, tayo muna sa bata.
Bato, bato, big. Alright, bato, bato, big. Bato, bato, big. Right, bato, bato, big. Last one, right. Bato, bato, big. Right, 1, 2. Bato, bato, big. Right, bato, bato, big. Snare rolls. Snare rolls.
You win. Hi!
Okay, hanap ng partner. sulat ina. Inom mo sa akin, sa tuloy katagal. Ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hanggang sa pagkanda natin. Nagtatanong lang ngayon kung kaya ibigin mo
Ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong nangangarap kalaan sa akin. Ang nakalipas ay babagsagan natin. Aking pangako, ang pag-ibig ko lagi sa'yo. Kahit mabuhay ang buko.
Lumipas ng kadiliman ng araw. Dahan pa isip ko, mabawi ka. Sana'y ako sa aking pag-isa. Kaya na iwanan ang batas ng kahapon ko. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Paano malinis ng puso ko? Handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo. Pagkatuloy pa rin.
Kung minsan ay hinahala mo,
Sabay-sabay!
alaala ninyong hangin.
Awit ng buhay ko, nagbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo. Pagkatuloy pa rin. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo. Pagkatuloy pa rin. Itong magalang pagkagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang pag-awa sa atin. Sabay-sabay! O kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo, sinta. Daig mo pa ang isang kisap mata. Alam mo ba,